Okay, we're looking at averages here, and we got the first one, find the mean, median, mode and range of this set of numbers here. Okay, I've written mean, median, mode, range there. Now to find the mean, we need to add them up and divide by how many there are. So here we go. Let's do that first. So 10 plus 12 plus 17 plus 11 plus 13 plus 11, all divided by 6. Okay, now then, I've written it like that because on your calculator it's probably best to use the fraction key, alright? But if you don't have a fraction key, remember to press equals after you've added everything up, because if you're not careful, alright, you will just be dividing the last one you typed in by 6, not the whole thing. Now, with a mean, alright, I'm going to have to write it here, 12.3 recurring, okay? That's fine. Whilst all the others are whole numbers, to have a mean that's a decimal is absolutely fine. Now the median, I'm going to do this in a different colour so we don't get confused. I'll do it in blue. Here we go. You can't find the median until you put everything in order, because the median is the number that's in the middle. So, put everything in order. 10 first, a couple of 11s, a 12, a 13 and a 17. Okay, now you'll notice that the middle is actually here, isn't it? Okay, right between 11 and 12. So what we do is we add those two up and halve them, and so you should end up with 12.5. Okay, again, whilst that is not specifically one of your numbers, not a problem. Okay, now again, change the colour. Mode, most common. All right, now the number that appears the most is 11, so there you go. Now, I've put range here because whilst range isn't an average, okay, it often comes in with average. It's a measure of spread. The measure of spread is just to see the biggest value in the data minus the smallest value. And that just shows how spread out your data is. Okay, so there you go. Now then, slightly different question here. It says Gemma has played 4 games of cricket and scored 35, 61, 12 and 38. Gemma wants to average 40 after 5 games. What must she score in her 5th game to do this? Right, so first things first, alright, after 5 games, so if we've got A plus B plus C plus D plus E, the 5 scores after 5, she wants to make 40. So therefore, her 5 scores have got to, plus E, got to make 5 times 40, 200. Alright, so essentially these 4 plus whatever she gets in the 5th game have got to add up to make 200 or more. Okay, so he wants to average 40. If she wants to average exactly 40, it should be exactly 200. So let's add up these. 35 plus, what is it, 61, good innings there, plus 12 plus 38 equals 146. So far, after 4 games, she has 146 runs. And so therefore, she needs 200 to average 40. We should end up, so she needs to get 54 runs in the game 5. Alright, no pressure, Gemma. Alright, but that's how you got to work it out. So you're thinking about how do you work out the mean, where you add them up and divide by how many you want. So therefore you need to think about, well, what's the total I need in order to get the average I want, and then work from there. Okay.